Chaotic cooking is this crazy campaign we're trying to develop.
A community that breaks down the complexity of food systems.
I think our aim is to inspire people to cook these recipes that are good for our environment and good for us.
And it brings it all together in a fun, creative, exciting, chaotic way.
I tried to pick up on the copywriting theme.
I did some graphics.
I was overseeing that we've created a timeline on what the teams have done, have achieved, and what still needs to be done.
I just learned so much from what other people had to say and contrasted with my own ideas.
It was amazing to see how fast learning by doing works.
It was so easy to feel right at home. It feels like I've known them for a long, long time, and I feel like that's what I've enjoyed the most in this campaign. Something that should absolutely not be missing in a campaign is
Passion. Passion for the idea. To bring such an idea together, you need to be willing to go further, to do things that you mightn't necessarily do, to push yourself out of your comfort zone.
You have to have clear leads. You will have very diverse teams. You have not above them, but people responsible of reporting such progress and making sure it works in harmony in the whole team.
Definitely hearing people's ideas. If that part is missing, you lose all your process and you lose all the chains that you need to connect every step of the process.
the biggest thing to watch out for, I think, is doubt. Some people have been doubtful that we could manage it all. Maybe that the project was too big for them. And initially, even I thought so too. But then once everything was structured and everyone received their roles, it kind of all fell into place and we were able to see humongous progress. So definitely never succumb to doubt.